Hi, my name's Claire Woodbridge and I'll be presenting to you today in your professional development. This professional development will be on mental health resources. Today there is a growing awareness that schools have a pivotal role in promoting the health and well-being of children and young people, particularly in mental health. In the rapidly changing social and economic climate of the world, implications on what skills and capacities that we as teachers develop in our students is more strongly defined around the concept of well-being. Well-being can be defined as access to resources, material and cultural, that sustain life at a high level of satisfaction. Let's look at the numbers. Depression and anxiety affect Australian children the most. 14% of Australian children have mental or behavioural problems. In a class of 25, that's 3 to 4 children. Of that amount, only 25% are receiving professional health care. That's only one of those children. So 3 in a class of 25 are left vulnerable. Misunderstandings, bias and stereotyping can cause many problems in reaching and maintaining well-being. Some examples of this type of thinking include people with a mental illness should be isolated from the community. Mental illnesses are incurable and lifelong. People are born with mental illnesses. It is important to talk openly about mental illness as this reduces stigma, and it is well documented that stigma is a barrier to seeking and maintaining treatment. Without proper training, teachers can conduct themselves in ways that demonstrate negative inclinations or prejudice towards certain students, particularly if students' behaviour is troublesome or apathetic. If the student's behaviour is troublesome, a teacher might think they are naughty rather than getting to the root of the problem. If students are overly apathetic, ever since they've known them, say, the teacher might think that it's just the way they are. Not uncommon, these ways of thinking demonstrate prejudice. This bias through negative inclinations inhibit pathways to well-being. To make sure you're on the positive side, educate yourself so that you can teach all students, explore multiple identities, prevent prejudice and promote social justice. Choose appropriate materials. We'll look at some soon. Adapt and integrate them, appreciating all cultures and religion. An in-depth and practical resource to help you do this is Be You. bu.edu.au. BU is a national mental health initiative offering a wealth of education, tools and resources for educators themselves as well as those to pass on to your students. Here you can see the content of the modules. Here we are. Or a closer look, here we are. These can be accessed in whichever order benefits you and your students the most. To get started, click on Pre-Service Educators or Educators. Scroll down, you've got your introductory handbook here, and register. Once you're registered, all completed modules will be saved. Other resources that are important are the tools and guides. Wellbeing tools. Wellbeing tools for you. There's a wealth of them in here for you. In particular, This Way Up. This Way Up are self-paced online courses that teach clinically proven strategies to help you improve the way you feel. To have well-being in our students, we need to find well-being ourselves and maintain it. Clicking back here, we've also got tools, wellbeing tools for students. So as you can see, there's a wealth of information on here. Please enjoy going through it. Thank you for your time.